For most people, a job is just a job. But for skilled trades professionals, it's something more.
I work hard, so I'm hard to beat.
I went the HVAC route, and I haven't looked back since.
I mean, in a 5-year span, I've completely changed, my life.
It's fun. It's not boring.
I love laying down those beautiful beads.
You feel like a superhero, you know what I'm saying?
It is unbelievably cool.
Like, my career goes with me wherever I want to go.
I feel like I have a purpose, more than I have in a long time.
It's in their DNA. It's a calling, a way of life. At StrataTech Education Group, through Tulsa Welding School and the Refrigeration School, we don't just train students to do a job. We help them answer their calling. We develop professionals who think critically, solve real problems, and move our country forward. One pipe, one panel, one weld at a time. And for them, the trades are more than just a career path. They're a lifestyle of freedom, mobility, respect. The respect that comes from doing something with your hands, with your head, with your heart. They don't wear suits, they wear purpose, and they wear it with pride. Because when you're in the trades, you're not just earning a paycheck, you're earning your place as an essential part of this nation's future. We believe in the trades, the skilled trades. We believe in our students who train to become skilled trades professionals. And we believe that being a skilled trades professional isn't just a choice, it's a lifestyle, a career, a profession. It's a badge of honor that burns bright, strong, and proud. A way of life, a badge of honor.